Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by getting access. Open the Microsoft Store, install the Xbox app, and sign in with the same Microsoft account used on your console. Once done, on the console, enable game streaming and keep a note of the console name so you can find it quickly. Make sure your controller is paired now, wired, or Bluetooth, and test button mapping in the app. These steps let your PC discover and authenticate to the Xbox without delays. You should now connect. On the Xbox app, find your console under Remote Play or Console Streaming and initiate discovery. Once connected, choose Streaming for live play or Remote Install for managing games. Make sure to pick 5 GHz Wi-Fi or plug both devices into Ethernet to cut latency. Next, open streaming settings to set resolution and bandwidth caps so frames stay smooth, and verify controller input latency. You're ready to play? Launch the game from the Xbox app and decide full screen or windowed for multitasking. While playing, close heavy background apps and keep drivers and the Xbox app updated so performance stays consistent. If you encounter lag or stuttering, first switch to wired Ethernet. If that's not possible, lower the stream quality and bandwidth cap. As a last resort, reboot your router and console. That clears network hiccups. These quick fixes resolve most connection problems fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.